ICSE Mathematics Class 9 Chapter 4 Exercise 4.3 Question 11 first 9x to the power 4 minus x to the power 2 minus 12x minus 36 factorize above. Answer 11 first 9x to the power 4 minus x square minus 12x minus 36 equal to 9x to the power 4 minus x square in bracket x square plus 12x plus 36 equal to 9x to the power 4 minus x plus 6 whole square equal to 3x square whole square minus x plus 6 whole square. 3x square plus x plus 6 3x square minus x minus 6. Answer. Question 11 second. S cube minus 5x square minus x plus 5 factorize above. Answer 11 second. S cube minus 5x square minus x plus 5 x square x minus 5 in bracket minus 1 common x minus 5 x minus 5 common as a whole and in the bracket x square minus 1 x minus 5 in the bracket x square minus 1 square x minus 5 in the bracket to x plus 1 and into x minus 1. The answer is x minus 5 into x plus 1 x minus 1. Factorize a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4 plus 2b square minus 1. Answer 12. First, a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4 plus 2b square minus 1. A to the power 4 minus in bracket b to the power 4 minus 2b square plus 1. A to the power 4 in the bracket b to the power 2 whole power 2 minus 2b square into 1 plus 1 square. A to the power 4 minus b square minus 1 whole square. A square to the power 2 minus b square minus 1 whole square. A square plus b square minus 1. A square minus b square plus 1. Answer. Question 12 second. Factorize s cube minus 25x. X cube minus 25. Answer 12 second. S cube minus 25x. S common x square minus 25. S common x square minus 5 square. S common x plus 5x minus 5. Question 13 first. Factorize 2x to the power 4 minus 32. Answer 13 first. X to the power 4 minus 32 is equal to 2x to the power 4 minus 16. 2x to the power 4 minus 16. 2x to the power 2 minus 4 power 2. 2x power 2 plus 4 in the bracket x square 2 minus 4. 2x square 4 in the bracket x square minus 2 square. 2x to the power 2 plus 4 into x plus 2 into x minus 2. Question 13 second. Factorize a square plus b plus c minus b plus c whole cube. Answer 13 second. A square plus into b plus c minus b plus c cube. B plus c common as a whole in first another bracket a square minus b plus c whole square. B plus c common as a whole a square minus b square plus 2bc plus c square. B plus c common as a whole in the bracket a square minus b plus c whole square. B plus c a plus b plus c minus b minus c. Answer. Question 14 first. A plus b whole cube minus a minus b. A plus b whole cube minus a minus b. A plus b whole cube minus a plus b. A plus b common as a whole a plus b square minus 1. A plus b common as a whole a plus b whole square minus 1 square. A plus b common as a whole and a plus b plus 1 into a plus b minus 1. Answer. Question number 14 second. Factorize x square minus 2x square plus y square minus a square minus 2ab plus minus b square. Answer 14 second. X square minus 2xy plus y square minus a square minus 2ab minus b square. X minus y whole square minus a square plus 2ab plus b square in the bracket. X minus y whole square plus minus a plus b whole square. X minus y a plus a plus b in the bracket x minus y minus a minus b. That is the answer. Question 15 first. Factorize a square minus b square c square minus d square minus 4abcd. 15 first. A square b minus b square in the bracket c square minus d square minus 4abcd. A square into c square minus d square minus b square into c square minus d square minus 4abcd. A square c square minus a square d square minus b square c square plus b square d square minus 4abcd. A square c square minus b square c square minus a square d square minus plus b square d square minus 4abcd A square C square plus B square D square by grouping minus 2ABCD minus B square C square minus A square D square minus 2ABCD. A square C square plus B square D square minus 2ABCD or minus in the bracket B square plus B square C square plus A square D square plus 2ABCD equal to AC minus BD whole square minus BC minus plus AD whole square. AC minus BD plus BC plus AD in the bracket AC minus BD minus BC plus AD. AC minus BD plus BC plus AD in the bracket AC minus BD minus BC minus AD. That is the answer.